Welcome all of you. BSc 3rd semester 6 inorganic chemistry topic inorganic reaction mechanism. Now second class of classification of mechanism reaction mechanism, that is first class known as dissociative mechanism, and now we will discuss second, that is associative mechanism. In associative mechanism, bond making and formation of higher coordinated intermediate than the original complex is important. It can be given as mlnx plus y gives mlnxy, that is slow reaction, and mlnxy gives mlny plus x, that is it is the fast reaction. Here the reaction 3 proceeds slowly, and hence it is the rate determining step. Hence both the mlnx and y are involved in it, and bond forming between m and y is a prime factor. The mechanism is known as associative. Rate of the reaction depends upon activities of m, l, n and y. It is known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SN2. It is shown in the figure. Here note that it in the intermediate formation coordination is increased by the number 1. For example, Ni, the NiCN4 to minus plus, that is the one type of reaction, NiCN4 to minus plus Cn minus, that is 14 Cn minus, it gives NiCN4 Cn14 3 minus, which gives NiCN3 Cn14 to minus plus Cn minus. The radioactivity of carbon 14 monitors the overall reaction. Now, third class is known as intermediate mechanism. In intermediate mechanism, bond making and bond breaking may take place simultaneously. It can be imagined that interchange mechanism takes place in one elementary step only. So mlnx plus y, it gives x mln y gives mln y plus x. The entering and leaving groups interchange simultaneously by forming activated complex, but not a true intermediate as shown in the figure. If the intermediates having relatively long life providing either D or A mechanism, and this is the only way of the distinguishing I interchange mechanism, IA or ID, that is associative or dissociative, from A or D mechanisms. That means short-lived intermediate is formed in either IA or ID, and it is very difficult to detect the intermediate. Apparently, when the intermediate is long-lived, the mechanism either may be either D or A, and the and when the intermediate is short lived, then the mechanism may be interchange mechanism. In the transition state, both the leaving and entering groups are bonded to the metal, but the extent of bond making is more than that bond breaking. Okay. Now, if bonding is between incoming ligand and the metal is predominant. If bonding between incoming ligand and the metal is predominant, then it is an IA associative mechanism. In breaking of the bond between the leaving group and the metal is predominant, then it is ID, that is dissociative mechanism. The distinction between IA and ID is very difficult and hair splitting. Therefore, careful experimental setup is essential to recognize which mechanism fits for a given reaction, that is IA or ID. Now, fourth class is the rate determining step. In any reaction mechanism, slow elementary step is always supposed to be the rate determining step. Number one, for the dissociative mechanism, the first slow step is the rate determining step in case of octahedral complex. ML5X gives ML5 plus X, which is slow reaction. This is the rate determining step, and the rate mainly depends upon the ML5X and not on Y. Therefore, rate is equal to K into bracket ML5X. Classic example of such type of mechanism is NiH2O6 2 plus gives NiH2O5 2 plus plus H2O, which is slow reaction, gives in presence of NH3 NiNH3 H2O5 2 plus with the help of NH3. For the associative mechanism, formation of ML5XY intermediate, that is association of complex with incoming group by bond formation, is the rate determining step. So MLNX plus Y, it gives MLNXY, which is slow type of the reaction. Here rate will be depending on both the complex as well as incoming ligand Y. Therefore, rate is equal to K into bracket MLNX and second bracket Y. In case of square planar complex, experimental observations support the associative rate determining step. Now, third, in interchange mechanism ID, rate of formation of activated complex depends either on the rate at which the MX bond breaks or on the rate at which the MY bond forms for IA, that is associative interchange mechanism. Rate law of an octahedral substitution by the interchange mechanism is useful in good agreement with an Eigen-Wickens mechanism. This mechanism says that an n-counter complex is formed in pre-equilibrium step and then rearrangements to form the products. So ML5X plus Y, it gives ML5XY. This is n-counter complex. So into bracket ML5XY gives product which is slow reaction. The second step is the rate determining step. Thank you.